It's a level 4 do not travel alert issued by the United States government. And while the epidemic has spread to 20 countries, the vast majority of cases remain in China, where all of the 213 deaths have occurred.
Tackling or combating the coronavirus is currently the most important and the most urgent task for the Chinese government. The outbreak of the coronavirus really constitutes a threat to the life and health security of the Chinese people.
He said his country had adopted a transparent, open and responsible attitude towards the spread. Moves that failed to prevent the World Health Organization's determination that the virus is an extraordinary event that placed other countries at risk and required a coordinated international response.
Frankly speaking, we are also making our assessment of that new development. What I can say here is that we are still at a very critical stage in fighting the coronavirus. International solidarity is extremely important, and for that purpose, all countries should behave in an appropriate and responsible manner.
The United States Thursday also confirmed its first case of human-to-human transmission, joining Germany, Japan, Vietnam and Thailand that have also reported such cases.
We do hope that while we cooperate and joining hands with each other in coping with this epidemic, and we do behave in a responsible manner and avoiding overreactions which may result in spillover negative effects. That's also something nobody wants to see in the world.
Raising concerns about the initial response to the virus.
We pressed the ambassador on a recent Human Rights Watch report that raised concerns over censorship relating to information on the spread of the virus and the forced quarantining of 50 million people in an effort to limit transmission.
What's crystal clear is that at this moment, the most fundamental right of those who are faced with the infection of this new disease, that's their fundamental right. And that's also what we need to do urgently. I do have heard some irresponsible, biased comments on the current situation, and I do think those comments are against the human conscience of conscience, and I do think those comments should be condemned.
The WHO also indicated that there was no reason for measures that unnecessarily interfere with international travel and trade, a message the Chinese ambassador also emphasized. Sherman Bryceby's SABC News, New York.